Hello. So what I'm gonna show you today is how to unlock the remote management settings in your router without any firmware upgrade or resetting the router. You can configure your router to be accessed from the internet. For this video, I'm using ZYXEL PMG5617-R20B router, which I got for Airtel fiber broadband connection. So let's start. As the first thing, we have to access the router settings. So open up a browser and enter your router's internal IP address, which is 192.168.1.1. This is the IP address for the model of router I'm using. It will take us to the login page. So you have to log in with the username and password you use. Make sure that you don't mistype the username and password. There would be only 3 tries. After 3 failed attempts, you will be locked out. If you didn't change the username or password, in username you type admin and password you type admin. And after login, you will get the dashboard where you can see all the device info first. From the side menu, hover on the maintenance option. Normally you should see the remote management option between reboot and diagnostics options. Every router has this option, but it's hidden from the end user. Some people suggest to upgrade the firmware. I don't know if you can unlock the whole remote management configuration by firmware upgrade. So to open the whole settings as provided by the router, open WAN from network settings, as I'm doing here. After loading is completed, right click on the title called WAN, WAN. And click on inspect option. It will open a window like this. From there you can see a link. This link which I am hovering here, right click that link and open it in a new tab. As we can see, the settings is now open in a new tab and the URL for that page is visible up here. Right click the same page and click on view page source. It will open the code of the window we were on. Scroll down a little bit, you can see some more links like the one we open now. If you check the last links, you will see the link for remote management. Copy the part starting from HTML to .json and move to the second tab we have opened. Paste and replace the part starting from HTML to .json on the URL. And press enter. It now opened the whole remote management settings which the router didn't allow you to access. You can see www option where the remote management port is written. If you change the port 80 to 8080, then you will be able to access the router settings by 192.168.1.1 and colon 8080. You have to specify the port. Before it was using the default HTTP port which is 80. That is why you didn't have to enter the port after the IP address. Now we are changing it to something else like 8080. So we need to specify the port for the connection to the router. So only if you have a valid reason to change the port, you should do it. The reason why I'm changing it, because I turned my gaming PC into a web server and I'm forwarding a domain name to my PC. So my server, which is my PC, is acting like a server and I'm hosting a website in it. So every request to the domain name will be forwarded to my router and router will forward it to my PC. I am also doing a detailed video on how to set up your server and make it available on the internet. So if you want to see that video in the future, please make sure to subscribe and be notified of my new videos. And please don't forget to like this video if you find it useful. Thank you for watching.